Hello and welcome. In this lecture, we are going to talk about how to install VirtualBox in Windows 10. So download VirtualBox from trusted website and just type that in VirtualBox download for Windows 10 64-bit and open the like in virtualbox.org and download screens where you'll get that in Windows hosted like in download. Click on that. You'll get that in downloader and just double click on that and click on the next, click on the OK. If you want to change the directory structure, change it, click OK. Click on select that in whatever you need, like in create a start menu and create shortcut to desktop and register file associations and click on the next and click on that in yes and click on the install. After that in few minutes it will take a time and then it will be install the VirtualBox in your local PC. And after that in installation, just open the command prompt and type over VirtualBox, and the VirtualBox screen look like something like that after installations. So that's all about in this lecture, and thanks for watching.